Oh my god, the place is so good! This is the fridge, guys.
So that's why I stay back. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I follow you when you're the only thing
Hey guys, comfort room ng Shangri-La tour. CR tour. Comfort room tour. Gagi, ang ganda. Be, ang ganda. Be, ito yung CR nila. Pwede tayong coffee date sa CR ng Shangri-La. Wala naman. Thank you, Sun Life. Kung alam ko lang talaga na ganito, nung 18 years old ako na humanap kay Sun Life. Hi, Tita Malu! This is my vlog! Say hi!
Thank you for patiently waiting. Passengers seated in rows 21 and 22, you may now disappear.
Yes naman, Ravens Tower! Say hi!
Hi,
Hi! Yung ang lawak ng kwarto, pero nandun ka sa sulok. Kasi ayaw na masira yung view. O siya, sige, dito tayo sa sulok. Room tour! Oh my God, yung CR natin, Be, ang ganda. Sandali, papasok ka. Be, ang ganda di. Be, ang ganda di. Be, ang ganda. May pa-flower eme sila. Gagi, tingnan mo, ang ganda. Ay, Be, suot mo na yung tubis mo. Be, wag na tayo Be, ang ganda! May flowers! Be, yung aesthetic, may black ka na two-piece? Yeah! Be, ang ganda dito! Be, tingnan mo, picturean kita dito! Shit, naiiyak ako, Be. Silipin mo, sige. Tingnan mo yung reaction mo dito. Sobrang happy. Be, tingnan mo muna! Be, tingnan mo muna to. Sorry po, pero kasi... Be, tingnan... Sun Life, ano na? Thank you. Shit, Be, ang ganda. Be, wala kang gagalawin dyan dahil gusto ko pang picture. Hindi nag-away. Pag may isang bulaklak nawala dyan, wala na. Hindi na aesthetic. Be, ang ganda talaga. Hi. Hello.
Anong side mo dito? Anong side ka?
Kahit saan, kahit doon lang ako, okay na ako. Kasi nakikita ko lang siya.
Isa tayo dito. Walang hihinga.
Ay, wala talaga. Be! Ang ganda talaga! Pinaesthetic ang video, pero at least totoo siya. Ay! Shit! Ano na? Kaya natin siya. Sandali po. Shangri-La naman! Ay! Ayaw ko yung Shangri-La. Hindi siya hindi tayo inorian. Oo, sorry Shangri-La. Pwede palang alamin, mag-isip ka. Be! Ang ganda dito! Be! Ang ganda dito! Be, ang ganda dito, shit! Hi, vlog! Welcome to my guys. Hello, we're here in Shangri-La. All of your vlog.
Hello!
Nakapag-almusal to dito, total late.
Kasi late ka dumating. Talagang may timeline.
Go! Hello! Oh my God, the place is so good! Hi! Good morning po, or good afternoon kung anong oras na ba. Thank you po!
Walang maglalabas ng chat, mama.
Uy, Bin! let me have a decent room tour and comfort room tour kasi kanina very unfiltered yun talaga yung legit na reaction namin when we first saw the room kasi sobrang ganda. And I just want to share with you guys that this is an all expense paid trip by Sun Life. So thank you Sun Life. And grabe yung VIP treatment na nakuha namin dito. So I just want to share with you my 3 nights and 2-day trip here in Shangri-La Boracay. Keep watching! So they have basically everything you need. And kung meron mang wala dyan, you may just give them a call and they will deliver it sa room niyo mismo. So yan. So this is what the comfort room looks like. Ito yung toilet. Ayan. Very simple lang naman inside. Minimalist. Yan. And actually guys, we searched na kung magkano yung room per night. It costs 27,400 for this room, for the room that we have. Kasi deluxe lang meron kami. And imagine guys, nagstay kami ng 3 nights dyan. Yep, so sa shower room naman, this is how it looks like. Hey guys, so this one is a cabinet for your vault. Ayan, kung meron kayong mga gold bars dyan. Pero since wala, charot, close na natin. Tapos this is the cabinet, no? Good for 2 and lucky for us, Ate Maiko and I, magsha-share kami dyan. Yan. One for the girl and one for the boy actually. Pero, anyway, doesn't make any difference. And then this one, I'm not sure. Okay. Ano siya? For laundry. Ayan. And then we have hangers. Meron tayong timbangan to check kung, approve pa ba yung weight sa pang 2-piece namin. Charot. And then merong, iron. Ayan. And then, iron stuff. Guys, ang ganda ng room. Sobra. Deluxe tong room namin. Ayan. Then, of course, ganyan siya. Ganyan yung aming view. Ayan. Grabe yung view doon, promise. Sobrang ganda. Surreal talaga. And we have water, complimentary yan. And then fruits. And then we have Nespresso. Actually, this one is one of the highlights talaga. Ayan. Meron kaming Nespresso. Ayan. And then, let's see kung anong meron inside. Pringles. And then, ito yung mga tea, glass. And then, yan. Kung gusto niyo pang mag-boil ng hot water. Ito ay empty. Yan. Sorry. And then, this one is, lang siya, vacant. And this is the fridge, guys. Yan. But that one, I think, is not part of the complimentary. Babayad na yan. And plus, we have a very good, Wi-Fi. Yung bed, ang ganda. Perfect sa amin ni Ate Maiko mamaya yan. Pero ang perfect ng CR, promise. Then, meron din tayong cozy spot dito. Pero ito talaga, panalo siya. Look at that. I mean, thank you. Thank you, Sun Life. I believe, mamaya check ko kung magkano talaga. Pero according sa mga kasama ko dito, ang per night dito is 25,000. Yan, per night. 20 to 25,000, ganun yung range niya. Sobrang ganda, promise. Sobrang relaxing. So, this is the lobby lounge. Pero ang daming lobby lounge in different floors, I believe. Kasi yung 3 days na pagstay namin, hindi talaga namin naikot yung buong hotel. So, sobrang dami ng activities. So, after namin binaba yung mga gamit, and we took a couple of videos, yan, for our social medias, ganyan. Tinawag na kami to transfer to another location for lunch. Basically, this is the lounge, which is so beautiful. And then, before kami mag-attend nung night party, because we have a night party, we went downstairs to check the beach. And this is what the beach looks like here in Shangri-La Boracay. Sobrang ganda niya. Nag-inarte pa sila. Alam mo, girl, hindi kita palaging na-acknowledge kasi lagi mong inuuna yung ibang tao. But itself, I'm so proud of you.